Hi viewers, I thought I'd do a very quick video for you on this silver-proof coin from 2015. This is the Zebra from Benin, and I think they had a mintage of 5,000 and a face value of I think 1,000 francs, which is on the other side, which I will reveal in a minute. Anyway, after 8 years on YouTube, a lot of people have disappeared. Some of them hardly make videos anymore. I'm still here, and I've still got a sense of humour because my zebra's got wood. Yes, zebra wood. And I've only just finished these, already sold one. The silver testing slides in what's known as zebra wood, or Zebrano or Zebrano, and yeah, an absolutely stunning grain, striking grain. Purple heart, as much as I love purple heart for its colour, people often just think it's just a stained piece of wood. Well, it'd be hard to stain anything to look like these, wouldn't it? Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I'm not going to test my zebra on the slide because I know it's authentic. But let's get back to the coin in question. So, mintage of 5,000. Bit of a face reveal there. Highly reflective. Very annoying with these proof coins, trying to show them on camera. I will come up with a solution one of these days. Anyway, I think that is all the. Is that all the animals in this series, or is that just a zebra going all the way round? I don't know. Anyway, let's have a look at the coat of arms there, I think. République du Benin. 1,000 francs. Yeah, absolutely stunning coin, but I did notice on the loop, as with a lot of these high premium proof-like coins, after a few years they start to develop flaws, and there's a couple tiny ones I can see there. Luckily I didn't actually pay for this one, but I think it was traded with me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed seeing the coin and seeing my wood. Thanks for watching. Bye.